It's summer. Well, it's not summer, but high spring has arrived. We've got a little mini heat wave this weekend in Seattle. It's Wild Swim Saturday. Went yesterday, went Wednesday, gonna go tomorrow. And as you can see, this, when we swim here, it feels kind of like a saltwater pool in a way. But it's definitely, see, we just saw seals swim by. It's one of our wild swimmers. Melissa's still out there. It's just a gorgeous day. And see how beautiful clear the water is. You don't like to tell people it gets like this in Seattle. It really rains all the time. But it's pretty awesome. Take good care.